All right, so anyway, I have a GoPro Hero 10, and I bought this case for it because I had problems with the bottom of it, and I had to hacksaw it off, so I needed a case. Anyway, this is my beef with this case. So to get it off, you got to pull this over, right? Then you got to pop this up, and it is hard as hell to get open, but that's how it works. To close it, all you have to do is just squeeze it like that. So look at this thing here. You got to push it like this, and this thing is tight. I'm not kidding you. So when you pull it over and then pull, there we go. Bam. That's how you get it open. And here we go. There's the GoPro. And you're going to see why what happened here. I had to hacksaw this off because it got all corroded. And those screws, everybody tells me, okay, those screws, you can get those screws out of there. You just got to unscrew it and it'll just come right. No, those screws are like totally oxidized and would not come off. But this camera still works really good. So anyway, that's why I got this case. And the case cost me, I think, 40 bucks. I got it on Amazon. And but it works good. And it's pretty simple. Slide that there. There you go. You just go like that and like that. But I got to warn you right off the bat, this is kind of tough. You got to push it hard with your finger and it pull. Oh, God, that thing's tight. And that's it. That's how you get it in. And then you just put your camera in there like that. Closer. And bam, Bob is now my uncle. Again, push, hold. Oh, God, I just hurt my finger. All right. Anyway, that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the GoPro Hero. Peace out.